Yes, guys, welcome. How's it going? Welcome back to another stream, guys. Who we got? Let me have a look in the chat really quickly. Let me just mute that. I'll just get some music playing. Naeem, welcome, bro. Dan, how's it going? Welcome, guys. Yeah, I'm in Vietnam now. Yeah, I'm in Vietnam. So yeah, live stream from Vietnam. If you've just joined, guys, drop a like. Yeah, drop a like and drop a comment if you've just joined. If you've got any questions, feel free to drop a question in the comments too. I'll start breaking gold down shortly. But yeah, let's see who's here. I've got a little setup going on here too, which is good. But yeah, just basically been getting set up for the past day. Gold did exactly what I wanted it to do. Pulled back and now it's continuing higher, which is good to see. I know a couple of the guys just mentioned in the community now about this pullback that we're seeing. I basically called a pullback into these lows to then continue higher. But what I wanted to see when price was down here is I wanted to see it create a clear range and a clear sort of market. Let me just really quickly go back. Can you see here, guys, you've got a nice range before price continued higher. And here you've got a nice range before price continued higher. I wanted to basically see that a little bit before the continuation higher, but it didn't. It just pushed down, shot straight back up. If you did catch a position, that 15-minute flip here, let me just delete all this. That 15-minute flip there was kind of nice, but the only problem that you had is you had a big level, well, not a big level, I'd say a recent level of support and resistance here that price could have easily reacted from and continued down. So the best thing, if you just look really quickly, guys, resistance, support, resistance, that would have been the level that I would have wanted a close above. The problem being is that we've got the close above, but look how far we are, how close we are to targets here. Look how close we are to targets. We basically just hit targets. However, it's not over yet. There's still a lot of upside on gold, I think, for this session. If we get some confirmation, I will be looking for price to continue higher. Okay. 30-minute and the hourly. If we look at the 30-minute, how the 30-minute closed, the prior 30-minute candle, we took liquidity nicely. So you probably are going to see a continuation higher. The problem that you've got is that you've just taken liquidity, so I won't be taking it until we close back above that liquidity. So the range for me that I'm playing for this session, guys, is as simple as this. I'm going to be looking for longs if we can close strongly back above 26.36. If we close below 26.29, I'll be looking for that pullback short. But I am very interested to see if we can get longs today on stream. Really interested to see if we can get longs on stream. Let me just minimize all this stuff off here, guys, just so I can see the questions pop up. Sorry if it's a bit laggy. 18 people here, welcome. Welcome to all 18. Drop a like, guys. I've only got 2 people who's like. Drop a like, I appreciate it. Hassan, how's it going? Yo, Hassan. Yeah, Dan, Naeem, how's it going? Dean. Dean's here. Naeem, Hassan. Jamie, how's it going? Welcome. Welcome, Jamie, bro. Welcome, Naeem. Dean, yeah, everyone who's here, welcome all. Good day so far. Caught the opening of London session. Yeah, nice stuff, Naeem. London session was great. I know a few people caught some trades. I personally didn't catch anything, but London session definitely give a few opportunities for you to catch. We had this range in London session here. We got back above it nicely. So if you caught that move here, I know a few people caught it. You're up like 100 ticks from the open, which is nice. But this is the range I'm playing for now. I'm going to update this in the community really quickly for the guys a little bit. The internet's playing up a little bit right now. I'll just give it a minute. Right, we're back. Nice. Yeah, one sec, guys. Let me just check YouTube stream's all working fine. Yeah, we're good. Yeah, we're good. Naz, one sec. Yeah, we're good, guys. Yeah, we're just checking the YouTube stream was going good. I'm not sure. Yeah, good, okay. We're back. I'll update the community really soon. Nothing's just happened just yet, and I'll answer questions in a second, guys. 21 people here. Welcome all 21. Nice. Paul, hello. Paul, how's it going, mate? Guys, if you're in the community, if you've watched the new course video, please let me know. Either message me, put it in the chat here, or put it in the thingy. Just let me know you've watched it. Let me know you understand everything, and just let me know that it's clear. Let me just turn the air conditioning on. Back to it, let's go. What you saying, Joe? Naz, yeah, back to it. I just, like I say, yesterday was a write-off for me. Cheers for the lights, guys. Yesterday was a write-off for me. I was traveling all day, like 20 hours. But yeah, we're back to it now. Back to it. How's Vietnam? Vietnam's great. Yeah, Vietnam is great. Like I said, tired. Didn't really do much yesterday. Got here late. Got here, put my bags down, and then just basically went to sleep. Updated the community a little bit. But yeah, I were off early to bed last night. But yeah, yesterday was a write-off. Back at it today. I'm gonna delete this level down here, guys. It's a bit irrelevant for now because price would have to push all the way down and close all the way down like 100 ticks. Because I'm only interested in longs for now. Gold's bullish. You got some higher time frame levels that price can come into. Yeah, gold longs is nice. But yeah, how is everybody? Yo, Henrix, how's it going? Welcome to the stream, mate. Paul Reddington, all makes sense. Yeah, good stuff, Paul. Nice one. Good job for watching it too. I know there's quite a lot of views on it, which is good to see. A lot of people have been watching it. Yeah, nice one for the likes, guys. 6 likes. Yeah, drop a like, guys. We've got 16 people here. Drop a comment, drop a like. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe too. But yeah, I'm waiting for this close now, guys. We've got 4 minutes until this closure. I want to close above 26.36. That'd be perfect. 26.36 closes would be perfect. Thank you. But yeah, 26.36 closes would be nice for them. Continuation longs. Making us jealous having to put aircon on, yeah. I know it was snowing. My mum sent me a picture of some snow, which which ain't the best, but yeah, it is what it is. Hey Joe, what's the level post the 26.36 resistance? Gary, how's it going, mate? After the 26, guys, the only reason why I'm continuing to look for longs is that price created this resistance at 26.36, yeah? Price created resistance at 26.36. If price wants to continue higher, it has to break above 26.36 to continue higher, and that's how gold works. If it breaks above, it's going to continue higher. If it breaks below, effectively, it's going to pull back into some liquidity lows, as mentioned in the market update on gold in the community. In terms of where am I looking to target above, there's not many targets. So when there's not many targets, I probably will just look for price to come into a level, or maybe just take a 20-30 tick scalp and then get out. But you've got, above this level now, you've got a decent 70 ticks into any sort of structure. So I'd say the next key level is 26.43. Okay, Gary? That's what I'd be saying, mate. If you can close strongly above in 2 minutes, depending on how we close, depends on what I'm going to do, but I do think we're going to get that continuation higher. But yeah, the actual range, guys, is the range I'm playing would be 29 to 36. Okay? The only reason normally, like this morning, for example, the range we had this morning in London session, okay? The range we had in London session was, for example, this big. It was, so from 20, it was the 30 tick range. Because look what happened, the price action was perfect. This morning, you had a nice clean 30 tick range, and then you broke out and you had what? 80, 90 tick push, or overall over 100 tick push, okay, from the breakout, 160 tick push. But what we've got now is that price has created a bigger range, and the range we're playing with now is 70 ticks. You just need to play the range that price gives you. You can't just be looking at, say, price action like so, and on 20, 30 tick ranges all the time. You have to be using the best ranges that are best for the price action that you've been given, okay? So this is the best range for now. Buys above, I'm going to be looking for long. Yeah, I'd like to play a 20-30 tick range. 20-30 tick ranges are perfect. The fact that prices give us an 80 tick range, that's it. I can't look to sell below until we get below. I can't look to sell until we get buy until we get above. Anything within here is just half risk, okay? Anything within here is just half risk. Yeah, that's the plan. So if we do catch a long, for example, price, let's just say price pulls back, okay? And we've got some clear targets. If we can find a long, yeah, if we can find a long, it'll be half risk. But like I say, it needs to sort of set up. Because look what's happening, and this is why I need to wait for a close above. Price is just liquidating this high and continuing down. I don't want to get chopped up in this range. I'll look at questions in a sec, guys. I'm just going to update the community really quickly with this range that I'm playing. The best thing possible now, guys, would be a little pullback, a breakout of here, and then we can get longs. Because longs for me today, with the war news going on with the Ukraine and Russia, the war regarding that, the escalation in Russia with the US getting involved more, that's the reason for gold continuing long. Gold's referred to or as a safe investment for big banks. People with a lot of money. People put money into gold with war news because it's a safe investment. They don't put it into the dollar because the dollar is affected. Let's have a look, guys, really quickly. US dollar might take a little bit. Look, US dollar. Look at the gold. US dollars took a hit this week. Well, not a hit. I'd say what's it? It's not pushed down much. It's pushed down what? 0.5%, but it's bearish. But look at gold. Gold's pushing up. All regarding the news around the Russia-Ukraine war and the escalation. Let's have a look, guys. What makes sense? Hey Joe, what's the next level? Yeah, I've just gone off that. Gary in Vietnam. Lol. Yeah, Duncan. Yeah, in Vietnam. I'm here for a few months. But yeah, everything stays the same. The workload's the same, guys. All the one-to-ones, the calls, the streams, the member Zooms, all the same. I think I'll do a member Zoom London session tomorrow. Anybody in the community, London session Zoom call with the members. I'll record it and upload it into the channel. Would you recommend trading 10 micros or one contract? Hemrix, if you're just starting the challenge and you haven't got a buffer, use 10 micros. And this is my this is not like financial advice. This is just me giving you a recommendation. But I personally myself would use 10 micros, 15 micros, so you can take more partials. Once you've got that buffer, then I personally use, one contract, two contracts to try and pass it quicker. But yeah, you just make sure, guys, you can't take partials on a one contract, but on a 10 micros you can. Okay. But yeah, look at this range, and this is why the ranges are so good, because look at this. You've got price needs to get above this level in order to go long, because what could happen if you start longing here? If you start longing here, guys, look what's happening. Price is reacting and going into your stop loss. Like I said here, without wanting to get below here, look what happens. Price is reacting. Anybody looking to go short? Anybody looking to go short at this big red candle? After this big red candle, retail traders looking to go short after this big red candle, they're getting stopped out. All the retail traders looking to go long after this big green candle, they're in a stop loss. It's as simple as that. Don't trade how retail trade. Trade the opposite. Trade into their stop losses and you'll be fine. But yeah, that's my recommendation. I like to call it recommendation. Cheers for lights, guys. Nice one. Let me... Okay, yeah, I'm just going to update the community. I keep forgetting. Let me just put it in here. So anyone not on the stream, I'm waiting for a close on this range. If anything progress, done. Okay, done. Good stuff, guys. Nice one. Got 20 people here. Let's have a look. How do I take partials? Because I tried and closed the whole position with 10 micros. Henrix. So, guys, I'm going to just break this down for you. Anybody on Top Step using Top Step X, if you're in a buy for 10 micros, let's say, for example, you're in a buy for 10 micros, the way to close partials, if you want to say you want to close half of the position with 5 micros, you need to sell at market. So if you're in a buy position, you need to sell 5 at market. If you're in a 10 micro sell position, you need to buy 5 at market. So obviously it changes for what position you're in. Buy, you sell at market. If you're in a sell, you buy at market. You buy in your price. If you're in a sell, you buy in your position back at market price. Okay, you're taking your partials at market price. I hope that makes sense. Yeah, Henrix, nice one. Yeah, nice one. But yeah, guys, let's see if we can catch a position. What would be nice today, or now, is price is creating resistance. This is my level, okay? If price can, say this 15 candle closes bullish now above this range, that'd be perfect for longs, because we've taken prior lows and we're closing above. So that's something to watch out for. Yeah, good stuff, Henrix, man. Happy it makes sense, bro. But yeah, excellent connection on stream. It's saying on the software, excellent connection. I'm so happy, because Vietnam can be a bugger for bad connection sometimes. So I'm happy the stream connection's there. Every time, like now, before when I first came to Vietnam, I used to just book anywhere, and the connection weren't the best for trading. But now I'm streaming live. When I book the Airbnb, I need to make sure that the connection, the upload and the download speed's good. So I need to only find a place that's got like high speed connection. But yeah, clear range for now. Very clear range. Look at price here. Failing to close above 3 or 4, 5 times on this 15. Failing to close above again. Look at these longs here, failing to close above. Guys, I bought the Hasbulla coin just for the hype, and for anybody interested, Hasbulla created his own crypto, and I bought at here at 0.17, and I sold half of my bag up here, so I made 70% on Hasbulla, like in literally like a day. 70% on Hasbulla's coin. So what I'm doing, I'm leaving half on now, half of my position, to try and run into these highs. Because I am obviously, I'm a bit scared. Well, not scared. Obviously, I'm not scared ever. When I invest into anything, I'm not scared. But I'm a bit cautious that it could be a rug pull. It could be a rug pull. But obviously, meme coins have been going crazy. Obviously, I don't tell anybody to invest in anything. Like, you make your own decisions. But this is personally something I've done. Is I literally bought down here on this like 50% pullback of it, just to see if the hype's still there to get into these highs. Because if it is, it's an easy 100%. You know, if you put 500 in, you've doubled your money just off like a little push. And I made a decent. I think I sold out like 60%. So I've made a decent little chunk there already, which is good. What chain is that on, mate? Oh, this is it's the Solana. Hasbulla made it on Solana. Yeah, so I just use Phantom. Then literally I've just sold half and made a decent little return. Like I say, I was literally on Twitter, and I follow some people on crypto, and it literally came up that he created a coin like a day after I bought it, and since then it's just been going up. Yeah, but it's on Solana. I also got a little bit of chain swap. My entry on chain swap was, where are we? Decent little entry on chain swap too. My entry on chain swap was all the way down here at like 225, and that pushed up 90%. Currently it's running about 35% up, which 35% up in a couple of weeks is not bad at all. But yeah, I'm just looking I'm just looking for the chain swap to take out this trend line liquidity. You've got one sec. You've got, like I say, guys, I'll go back to gold in a second, but I'm looking for chain swap to take out this trend line liquidity. Once it takes out this trend line liquidity, I'm gonna take partials and profits, because that's like a double your money into the trend line liquidity and then let the rest run. You know, if you double your money and you take half off, your initial investment's out of the market. And that's what I tend to do with crypto. I invest, when it doubles, I'll take half of the market, take half of it out, so my investment's gone. And then whatever happens, if it runs, it runs. It's, well, not, I won't call it free. Nothing's ever a free trade. Never say it's a free trade. It's not, because whatever you lose after the free trade is your money that you've potentially lost. But yeah, having that initial investment taken off and letting the rest run it's a lot more convincing. Yeah, lots of good ones on Solana. Yeah, lots. That's another reason why if it were on any other if it were on any other chain, I probably wouldn't have bought it. Like if it were on Ethereum, like I say, a couple of good one, like proper utility, like ChainSwap that I just went through. They've got good utility. You know, you can change any crypto on ChainSwap, and that's what's missing. It's decentralized as well. But yeah, I'm not going to bore you with any more of that, guys. We'll just stick to gold. I know many people don't trade crypto. I've only started literally within the last 1 or 2 years looking into crypto, but it's not something I'm going to day trade at all. I would never day trade crypto. I'll always be on gold. Gold for me will always be my bread and butter. Literally, crypto is just something I look at maybe 10 minutes a day, 5-10 minutes a day, done. This 15's closing exactly how I want it to, guys. Look, this 15's taken the prior candle low. Now we could potentially get that continuation higher. You know, a nice 20-30 ticks and done. I got some USDC on Solana, but need money in Solana for the fees. Might top it up soon. Phantom, yeah, Callum. I know Phantom. I know I put like 1k in. I put like 1k in, and the fee were like $40-50. Absolutely crazy. Like if you're putting $1,000 in and you're getting feed like $50, the thing that you're swapping would need to make 5% in order for you to make anything after that profit, which for me is crazy. Like, I want to be swapping a token from USDT to Solana and then swapping it into the token, and I want to be making instant profits, but to make an extra 5% before you start making profits is a bit crazy. But yeah, and like I say, this is looking really good, guys. I'm going to be looking for longs shortly. One sec, I'm just... Right, just updated the community really quickly. Yeah, I'm really liking longs here. This 15's breaking out nicely. What would stop loss be? Guys, because I've obviously not traded yesterday, I'm only going to be half risking today. Obviously, I haven't slept too much. I haven't slept too much in the last couple of days due to traveling for the past... It's literally a full 24 hours of traveling. So I am at half risk today. Just thought I'd let you know. Get back into the swings of things, and tomorrow full risk again. But yeah, we are. It is a full risk trade, but I'm only using half risk personally. Yeah, half risk for me. Let's see if we can get a long, or let's see if I can get a long, should I say. Stick my phone on charge. Cheers for subscribe, guys. Whoever subscribed, nice one. 3 minutes to wait anyway. 3 minutes, but this candle's looking nice for that continuation play. And the 4 hourly's got an hour left, so for me, I think gold can potentially push into 26.43, which would be decent. But like I say, I need this to close bullish. Yeah, Callum, gold pushing lovely. You're right there, mate. You're right there, mate. Cheers for likes, guys. Drop a like, guys. Come on. 8 likes. Let's get to 10. Like I said, I don't force you, but let's get an extra 2. But yeah, 1 minute to go. I'm probably just going to use half risk. If we do get that bottom wick, I'm probably just going to use half risk and put my stop a little bit below this level. Because if it takes that level out again, I'm probably not going to be looking at anything too interesting. It's not really interesting me then, because then gold's just proper choppy. I'd expect gold to continue at least 20 ticks on this next 15-30 candle, and it's also the hourly as well. So yeah, like I said, I'm looking for that nice bottom wick. Decent bottom wick. Decent instant bottom wick, you know, 10-15 ticks. I'm going to half risk looking for that 20 tick push. 12 likes, nice one. I ask, I get. Guys, how's the signal on the YouTube? Duncan just said your signal keeps dropping. Can you guys just put in the comments if it's good or bad? Let me just double check on my phone. For me, on my phone, it seems decent. Just put in good, bad, okay with me. Thanks, Dan. Yeah, guys, if a couple of people just put in that it's okay, I appreciate it. But yeah, this 15's looking good. I'm gonna get ready to put a stop in here. Okay, guys, I've got this in. Yeah, I've got this in, guys. I've got a buy stop in at half risk, by the way, at these highs, looking to see if we can get that little continuation push higher. My stop loss will go when this flips and shows a bit of momentum. If this flips and shows that momentum that I'm looking for, I'm going to be looking for this to continue higher. And then once we do get that push, I'm going to trail my stop loss. But I'm only at half risk, risking like 15 ticks in total. Yeah, about 15 ticks in total, okay? Let's see. Let's see if we can get that push. But yeah, we've got that bottom wick now. I've just put the order in. 30 minutes looking decent as well. So if that 30 minutes can push, then yeah, my stop loss will go wherever it does flip. So when we do flip, that's when my stop loss will go. Like I mentioned, you've had the liquidity taken on this hourly, and we've pushed above. You would want that bottom wick, which is forming now. You know, that 18 tick bottom wick. So I've just put the order in. Once it does flip, I will let you know. Good stuff, Hemrix. Like I say, I'm just gonna put in the community that I am. Buy stop in for me. Yeah, I've got that buy stop in now. If this can flip, it'd be nice, because then my stop loss at 20 ticks at half risk, I'm only risking 10 ticks. But yeah, that flip higher would be decent now. See if we can get that momentum to continue higher. Yeah, it's on the top of the wick, guys. It's on the top of the wick for me. Okay. It's on the top of the wick, my entry. Is it gonna flip? I'm in from 35s, a bit early but going good. 35s, decent, yeah, decent flip. Yeah, like for me, there was a bottom wick. I know it did come up and flip bullish, but it didn't break the high, so I didn't get executed. It didn't actually break. I've got it on the high, and I always have it. I always have it one tick above the high. I never have it exactly on the high, because price can come up and mess about. I have it like one tick above. So I will tell you when I'm executed in this. But yeah, I've got buy stops. I'm just going to put line. I have got buy stops here. I've got buy stops here. Like I say, if it doesn't flip on this 15, then we just take it out. And then... one sec, let me just put in buy stops here. And then we look for more entries. But yeah, I'm currently got this buy stop in. Hard stops on this 15 would probably be the last laws, which could be good. But I'm going to try and get that tight stop. I'm only at half risk too. Like I say, half risk for me today. Let's see if gold can flip higher, but it has broke out the range. Hourly 30, 15 minute sets up, and we've got some decent targets above. We've got some decent structure to take above. See if gold can flip higher for us. Yeah, it'll be on this 15 that I'll be wanting it to flip as well. If it doesn't flip on this 15, then I'll just take it out. It's as simple as that. But from my actual entry to the low of this candle, it's only 20 ticks, so 10 ticks risk, which isn't too bad. But is gold going to flip in this hourly or not? That's the question. Hopefully it would. Hopefully you'd think it would. Yeah, when I'm executed, I'll put the order in. But, yeah. I thought it were going to execute me, but it was very close to, but it just didn't. Yeah. Is what it is, guys. Execute everything. Always execute everything in terms of positions. Okay? Always execute your positions. Always execute all the positions that you see, and if you don't, that's when the plan doesn't work. But like I say, we'll execute this if we get the clause that we want. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. It's what it is. 26 people here, welcome. I do fancy gold to continue higher. You know, even if it's just like going break even at 10-15 ticks, that'd be nice. It's probably what I'll do. Get to 10-15 ticks in profit, go break even, see if it can run. If the momentum is there to push it, that is. But let's see. Like I say, half risk. I'd advise anybody to be going half risk. But yeah, gold, is it going to flip on this 15 or not? Doesn't look like it's going to. Hey, how's it going? Yeah, welcome, you got trailing or end of day drawdown? End of day drawdown. Yeah, end of day drawdown's way better. Yeah, trailing's a bit rubbish. But I think this hourly can flip. It's just about waiting for it to flip higher. Yeah, but the 15 is just pulling instantly back. The problem that you've got as well on gold is that you're trading it into a level. You're trading level to level. When you've got no targets above to obviously to target, then that's where you're going to have the problems in terms of price flipping higher. Obviously, the hourly looks good for the flip, but if there's no level there, then that's where you're going to have the problem. But right now, we just need to wait to see if gold wants to come and take and flip these highs and take it higher. But right now, it's just pulling back. Like I say, I'll keep it in for another 3 or 4 minutes if it wants to flip or not. If anyone's got any questions, feel free to put it in the comments, guys. If anyone's got any questions. Yeah, Apex. Yeah, Apex drawdown rules are crazy bad. Need to take partials all the time. Want to leave runners? Yeah, it's stupid. I don't understand it at all. I don't understand it at all. Guys, for anybody wondering, I know somebody said they got entered in on this. What you want to be doing, you don't want to be entering on the flip of the candle or below the level. You want to be getting in. What I always have mine one tick above. So even if it was going to flip me in on the high of here, you know, my actual entry is above the candle. So my actual entry is up here. It's not on the candle flip. Always have it and incorporate spreads. So yeah, don't be getting taken into the trade down here. Like, actually have it wherever it is on your broker. Okay? You know, don't be blaming me if you get taken in and I don't. It's just, that's not my problem. Unfortunately. Like, I'll always say if I get taken in, like, there's been a couple of times where I get taken into a trade and some people don't get taken in. It's just brokers, spreads, and it is what it is. I'm not going to complain about it. I just laugh it off and get on with it. Well, try not, well, obviously don't laugh it off, but just don't get too upset about it. How is your Apex going, Callum? Yeah, how is your Apex going, mate? Good, is it going good? Come on, flip gold. If it doesn't flip, guys, I will just enter. Like, the 30 looks great and the hourly looks great for flips too. If it doesn't flip, I would just look for 5-minute confirmation to take it higher. Okay? Yeah, just look for 5-minute confirmation to take it higher if it doesn't flip. But yeah, it is at half risk anyway if it doesn't want to flip. But yeah, gold's been a bit of a nightmare, isn't it? Yeah, if it's going to flip bearish all the way down into these lows here, it's going to flip all the way down into these lows here. It'd be very unlikely for me. You're probably going to see gold run a little bit higher. If not on this H4, the next H4. I wouldn't personally think this hourly is going to flip all the way down. It'll either flip higher or close as it is now. But like I said, gold does what it wants and we'll wait for that. But yeah, always incorporate spreads and obviously broker slippage rules and stuff. Like, all brokers have different slippage. For me, when I'm using Top Step, I always have it one tick above. You know, you might lose $10, but it's better than getting taken in. Like, for example, here, if you got taken in here, you shouldn't really have been taken in. Like, what's the 1 minute saying? Yeah, like, look at the 1 minute. Like, if you're getting it in above here, like, you're very clear. You're very clear. Right, yeah, I'm going to delete this buy stop. I'm personally deleting this buy stop. I'm going to just look for confirmation above this level now. Buy stops have been deleted, guys. I'm not in this. One sec, let me just delete these on all my accounts. One sec, guys. Yeah, alright. Buy stops are deleted for me. Buy stops are deleted for me on all accounts, okay? Yeah, there's no position here. There's no position here. We've got 2 minutes. It's probably not going to flip on in 2 minutes, but what you could see is a 30-minute flip. 30-minute flips are still valid, of course, but I'm just going to look for that 5-minute confirmation now to go. If you want to, obviously 30-minute continuations are still in play for the next 10-15 minutes. I'm personally going to wait for this 5 minutes to set up. But yeah, deleted the buy stop. But yeah, that 30-minute could still flip, yeah. That's interesting. That 30 could definitely still flip higher and give you that 20-30 ticks. So if we do start rejecting, on this 30 and wicking up, I will put a 30-minute flip in. Not great at the moment. Took a silly loss the other day. Thought I was trading MNQ, yeah, micros. But I was trading NQ, and oh yeah, people do that, Callum. I've done it before. Mate. I think everybody's made that mistake. Just make sure that you're obviously on the correct one. Yeah, I've done that a few times. It is what it is though. But yeah, this 30 could definitely still flip. I'm just gonna see if we get that 5-minute confirmation push, then yeah, we can long. Yeah, but cancelled orders for me on the 15-minute impulse entry. Orders have been cancelled. I had a buy stop here for anybody who's just joined. I had a buy stop here on this candle. It hasn't flipped. So 15-minute impulse entries are invalid. 30-minute impulse entries are still valid if it starts to flip. I'm just going to wait to see if it starts rejecting. If it starts rejecting, now I'll put it in. I'm not just going to put it in for the sake of it. If it starts rejecting with a wick, now I'll put it in. If it gets closer. If it gets closer to these highs, you know, another like 10 ticks, then yeah, I will put it in. Because then that will also be the hourly, and the hourly and the 30 is still valid. I'm going to definitely try a half risk soon if it does start to flip. But slowing down a little bit and ranging. But we just have to see. Just have to wait and see, okay? Right, I'm going to put a new buy stop in at the break, guys. When I say it's the break of the current candle high, okay. If this current candle breaks this high, I'm going to put a buy stop in on this 30 and hourly flip, because I think the 30 could flip. I'll put it in. The 30 is still valid and the hourly is still valid. So I'd like to see this hourly flip higher. Really, you've got this hourly range like so. If we start breaking below, then it doesn't look too good. 5 minutes pushing down again. Goldie, what are you doing to us? What are you doing to us? Yeah, I'd like to see this hourly flip though. Like I say, guys, any questions? Guys, get a question if you've got any questions. Feel free. Been live for 50 minutes now. But yeah, like I say, look at the 30 and the 15. All time frames closed above this range for it to continue higher, but we're just not getting that momentum to push it higher, which is annoying. But yeah, any sort of 5-minute confirmation above this level, then longs are really valid. Obviously, back below here, we'll look for the sells. But yeah, gold's just continuing to fall. Will it come and take this liquidity low that we took on the hourly? Potentially, but like I say, we'll have to wait for the closure. Where's, hey mate, what are the charts, what are the certs on the wall behind you? Oh, these are just, I'm in an Airbnb. So these are just, this is just, I don't know, this is just paintings. Yeah, these are just paintings, mate. Ooh, look at Goldie pulling back. One thing to take into consideration on the 4-hourly is look how many 4-hour lows haven't been taken. It's been like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 4-hour lows haven't been taken, which is interesting because you can probably see gold pull back and take some of them within this session. But look at it continuing down now. Randoms. Oh lol, my bad. Thought you took some from the UK with you. No. No, these aren't certificates, Wes, bro. Yeah, these are just paintings. Look at gold breaking down now. Not really much happened in the US section on gold, to be honest. Like I say, we had this breakout, which was nice, but it just didn't continue here, which is a bit annoying. Yeah, what's this 4 hours saying? Yeah, 4 hours starting to wick massively now. Yeah, but this US session's been a bit boring, to say the least. Hourly closed so nice. That's exactly what you want to see on an hourly. Take liquidity, close above, but then look at it instantly pushing down. It's not the best. Not the best thing that you want to be seeing on the hourly, to be honest with you. Any war news? I'm not sure. Has any news come out? Let me just check. Let me just check if there's any news. Forex. Any unreleased news, should I say? What time is it? It's 1:30 almost. Tuesday. CAD news at 1:30, that's it. Any unreleased news? News, here we go. Let's have a look. Yeah, nothing. But yeah, nothing on gold. One sec, guys. Yeah, but no unreleased news, which is decent. let's have a look at the thingy. I was going to ask if you ever live stream London session or just for the community. Wes, I do live streams for the community in London session now and again, like maybe 2 times per week. But yeah, US session for the live streams on YouTube only. Live stream for the US session's way better. Not much happens in the London session. US session's better. Even though, to say that, London stream was a lot cleaner today. Yeah, London stream were a lot cleaner today. Shorts if we break below the range, yeah, it depends. It depends how we break below, Paul. If we break below this range, sells look decent. Yeah, sells look decent. The only problem is with sells is that you've got some structure at market at like 26, 25 that you'd have to get through. You know, you'd have to break below this range here, and then you'd have to break below this level here. So you've got like 2 sort of levels to get out of the way of. You know, you've got 2 levels if you are going to look for shorts. But yeah, you can for sure. Any closes below 26, 29, shorts do look better, should I say. Keep in mind that this 15 minutes is super choppy. Price could continue to chop in here. Sweet, I'll try to catch the next one. It was, yeah, Wes, catch the next one, bro. I think the last time I did one was obviously, I think it was Thursday or Friday last week. So yeah, there will be another one this week for sure. Yeah, keep your eye out for it. Goldie, falling. Daly's got no bottom wicks on 2 dailies as well. Hey Paul, how's it going? Metcalf, Paul Metcalf, how's it going, mate? Not the other Paul, but yeah, how's it going, Paul? Yeah, welcome to another stream, mate. Now I'm gonna see what gold's gonna do here. I don't know if it's gonna continue down, but the hourly's gonna close bearish soon. But yeah, guys, if you got any questions, feel free to drop a question in the comments. I'm gonna see how gold closes on this hourly. Let's see if we get a decent close or not. But yeah, right now, gold's messing about a bit. We're closing below these ranges, but I'm not going to be looking to be a seller until we get below 29, 26, 29. Look what happened before, rejected. Look what happened before here, rejected and pushed up. Price could reject from anywhere around here where it is now and continue higher. So below here, then yeah, maybe I'd look to sell. But then that's another story when we do get to that. But for now, there's nothing. Because this could continue higher yet. Especially with the next 4-hour opening soon. Good mate, can you drop the link to your Discord please? Getting involved this afternoon. Yeah, Paul, I will do, mate. I'll put the Discord. I'll send you the Discord community link on either. Yeah, I'll send it on Telegram, mate. I'll send it on Telegram. Yeah, get yourself involved, bro. Like I say, I've just uploaded a new course video, which is good, which is a great watch. Definitely get involved watching that, mate. Yeah, I'll send you the link on Telegram after the stream. Guys, if anybody does want to join the Discord community, I'll actually, no, do you know what, Paul? I'll put the link here for you. And I'll send it to you on Telegram too. But if anybody else does want to get involved, I'll just link it. I'll link it here. There you go, guys. The link's in the comments now. There's the link for the Discord community. It takes you straight to my website. But if you do want to join, I will send it to you after, Paul. Wait for this closure on the hourly. See if it can continue down. 30 minutes, sorry. See if the next 30 can continue down. Because the 4 hour is starting to flip bearish now. Look at this 4 hour. But yeah, I do need that closure below this level. Could definitely react from this level. You can see reaction, rejection. Like I say, could reject again and continue. So, best to get a close below. 30 just closed. Didn't get below though. It's annoying, but is what it is. Turn music a little bit here. Seems like a bit of a random place to reject. No, what am I missing? Unless it's pre-news. The main reason you're getting rejection from here, Wes, is because the price is coming into a big level. Look at the 4 hourly. You can see recent rejections here many times. Look, rejection, bit of rejection here. 4 hour rejection, rejection, underneath rejection, even here. So this is a big level on gold, 26.35, and that's probably one of the main reasons that you're getting a bit of rejection as well. Like I say, it's not always a random place. Normally it is like either a higher time frame area, or either price just takes the liquidity that it needs to continue down. You know, you've taken this liquidity to the left. Now it's time for that continuation down to take this liquidity. But yeah, like I say, it's not a clear area for sure. So like a break and retest, yeah, potentially. What you need to see as well, guys, is that a lot of people, a lot of retail will be going long at this level too, with the stops slightly below. So anybody who's going long, if you are going to look to go long again after this, you want to take the liquidity first and then continue higher. Okay. But yeah, I do think gold is going to react from here a little bit. Yeah, look at this 5 minute now. 5 minutes instantly rejecting this level. As I've mentioned, guys, anybody, all the retail traders here, anybody who's going short too early is getting instantly stopped out. Why? Because look, what are they seeing? They're seeing this big red candle here. They're seeing this big red candle and they're loading their shorts up at this level. They're loading the shorts up here with the stop set. They've probably been stopped out already, to be honest. And look, straight into stop loss. We know not to take positions until we close below. They don't understand that. They're just going short off seeing big candles, like big red candles and big green candles. They love them. there's a gap still hasn't been filled from this week's open. Yeah, one thing that the Oanda chart's been doing recently, if you look at the daily, it actually has been gapping. This is basically the the war news over the weekend. As soon as it opened on Monday, it instantly push up. You know, anybody who's getting into gold instantly pushing up here. That's where you've got the gap to fill as well. Is price going to come and fill that gap? I'm not 100% sure. Could it? Of course. This week, I'm not sure, but we'll trade into that as targets if price obviously shows the momentum and shows the breakouts that we need. But for now, we need a close below this level here. Closure below there, then yeah, I'll be looking for shorts. In terms of buys, where would I want to get a close back above? Probably here, 26.35. We get a close back above 26.35. I'd be interested in buys again. Yes, guys, welcome. Yeah, no trades for me just yet though. US session hasn't been too clear, not been really that clean. We even pre US going into this US session, the range was huge. It was like 70 ticks. That's quite a big range for what we trade on gold. Normally it's like 20-30 ticks. Today it was like 70, double the normal. But it is what it is. Trade what you see. Trade what the market gives you. But yeah, this is the range I'm playing with now. A little bit smaller than the one we just had. You know, 55 ticks, still quite big. But look at the moves we're having on gold. The big moves, bigger range, bigger moves, bigger range. But you just need to wait for gold. Gold could flip. 24 minutes till we potentially could flip. But yeah, I'd be surprised if gold just flips straight back up after this hourly flipping down. Look at the 15. Up, down. Super choppy. Not clean. London was very clean today. Look, London range. Breakout candle. Look at the continuation after the breakout. US range was from here to here. And within the range, you broke out. No continuation. Broke below. Look, after this red candle, no continuation. So, it's messy. Choppy US session. Straight back up on gold. Whoa, look at Goldie now, flipping back up. Tell you what, if this 15 closes bullish, I'd be looking for them longs. Because look at this 30 as well. 30 took the prior lows. If it closes back above here, I'm going to be looking for longs, guys. Yeah, I want it to get back above this level, 26.35, the level that we mentioned. If we get back above, then be looking for that little play higher. 35 ticks there. Because then that'll be the hourly flip that you're buying into, which has got 22 minutes to close. Definitely could still flip here. But I want that closure. Look at this. Resistance. Support. Could it react as resistance and continue down? Yes, that's why I'm not looking to go long just yet. Like I say, it is messy, and I'm only using half risk today. It's just super choppy. These moves, these choppy moves that we're seeing in the US session, look at this. Super choppy pre, and then rate back down 60 ticks, shot straight back up. What's that? It's 90 ticks, and then shot straight back down 90 ticks, 100 ticks, and now shooting straight back up. This is very choppy, look at that. Not clean at all. No clear direction. If you wanted to play it really safe, you'd have a range like so. But for me, to try and just long break above 26.35 is just about right. I like this range. If you got any questions, guys, drop them in the comments. 19 people here, welcome. Yeah, look at the rejection. Goldie. Messy price action. I mentioned in the community as well, guys. I mentioned in the community before that when you're waiting for your range to form, you don't want to be trading until the range has formed. For example, look at this. When price pushed up here, there's no range that's formed. Like you want to wait for ranges like this or like this. Like we had pre-London, or we had in the London session this range and this range. Even here we had a range, but right now we need to wait for that range. We've got the range. We've obviously got a range now, but you need to wait for that closure above or below now in order to take this the direction we want to take it. But yeah, I do think gold could continue down, especially based off the 4 hourly too. So you got some 5-minute confirmation there, but there's just no closure to take it, unfortunately. Wow. Gold, gold, gold. What are you doing? Yeah, not much happening here, guys. Like I say, we need to wait for gold to close on in 4 minutes. We've got 4 minutes until we close here. Yeah, if this 15 closes, potentially longs. Yeah, I'll be looking to set longs if this 15 closes bullish. Hopefully we get the push back above 26.35 that I'm looking for. Nice closure back above here, then yeah, you've got some decent longs there. But yeah, this 5 just instantly pushed straight up, so we need to wait at least for this 15 to close in 3 minutes. Mental moves, yeah, it's super choppy. Super choppy on gold today. Look at gold. Like, yeah, you get a nice push here, you can start looking for longs, but no, instantly pushes down. You get a nice bearish close here, not through your level. Yeah, you can start looking for sells. No, instantly back up. If it's going to be just like this, it's best to just stay away. Really, it is just best to stay away. Not trying to guess this choppy price action. Look, within these, within this big range here. Look at that. We'll see what gold does anyway. see how we close here. An extreme 30-minute liquidity grab, I think. Yeah, Paul, you're right there, mate. Look at the 30. 30's taken these lows to its left, but if it maintains within this range on this 15, I won't be taking any positions because price could just continue down within this range. It needs to get back above. You know, you want to close above, really. Right now, it's within this range. I don't like it at all. Super, super choppy. Gold is so choppy. 13 seconds until this closes. No closure. Even if you had your level on this bit of structure here, it's just wick rejected it. There's literally no entry. Price is just playing within this range for now. A good thing that you've got as well is if you start rejecting this area on the 15, you've got some decent liquidity to take below market now. You've got a double bottom here, which price could come and take. Something to be aware of. Price could come and take this double bottom this new double bottom that's been created. Which would be the hourly open, 4 hourly flip to the downside. Something to keep in mind anyway. So 30 minutes still could flip down. Nasdaq being nice, 500 quid trade for them. I mean, yeah, good stuff, Callum. Nice, good stuff. Look at this 15. If this 15 shoots straight down, it wouldn't surprise me at all. Yeah, it wouldn't surprise me at all. Yeah, let's wait. Just waiting for gold here. Waiting for gold to give us something more. 22 people here. Nice. 22 people here. Yeah, but gold's super choppy, guys. Like I say, I'm gonna give it another 5 minutes. See what this 5 minute does. If it stays below this range, then I'm just going to call it there and keep active in the community. See if we can get a position down into this double bottom here. Because that would be very, very nice. Yeah, this is super. It's not the nicest here at all. Yeah, guys, I've just been in the community there and it's super choppy. Not much is happening on gold for now. I'm gonna update guys here on YouTube what I'm looking for. Guys, the range I'm playing for now is 26.36 to 26.29. This is the range I'm playing. Look at the 15. You can see this 15, rejection. If you get back below 26.29, I'm going to be looking for the continuation push to the downside. Same goes for the longs. Look at the longs. 26.36 here, rejection. Prior 15, rejected. I'm not looking to go long until you get below or get back above this level. Anybody in the Discord community, I'll update you if any trades do present themselves. But I'm going to be waiting for this next 15 to close. If this next 15 can close above this level at 26.35, 26.36, I'm going to be looking for that long continuation. First targets are the prior hourly high, okay? So if we do get a close above, now we've taken this liquidity here, I'm going to be looking for that long continuation. Obviously, it first targets into them highs, you've got 33 ticks, which isn't bad. But yeah, wait for that to present and wait for this candle on the 15 to close. Guys, it's not been this choppy for a long time in the US session live on stream. It's not been this choppy for a long time. These ranges are huge. Stay very cautious, guys. As I mentioned, you want to be trading ranges like this and ranges like this that are super, super clean. Right now on gold, the range, even now, the best range that you can work with is so big. If we do close below, obviously we've got some lows here to take to the left, but that's what I'm going to be waiting for. Stay patient, guys. Reduce your risk, and I'll see you tomorrow for another US stream, okay? We've got another US stream tomorrow. Hopefully we can catch something, but I'm not going to stay on here when price is super, super choppy and there's no direction. This is the range I'm playing with. Anybody in the Discord community, I will update you if any trades do present themselves, but this is the range I'm playing. For me personally, I think these lows are going to come and get taken soon. I think these lows here will get taken before these highs here, just because there's more liquidity sitting below and price is rejecting this level here at 26.36, okay? So yeah, that's what I'm looking for, guys. Anybody in the community, I'll update you as always. And if you're not in the community, guys, like I say, feel free to get involved, join. I put the link in here a few times. And yeah, I'll see you all tomorrow if you're not in the community for another US session stream starting at about 12:30. Dean, cheers mate. Wes, cheers Joe. No problem, guys. No problem, guys, at all. Like I say, jump on. We've been on for about an hour and a half now. Nothing's presented itself, so no need to force anything. No forcing doing here, guys. Just straight up trading, yeah? Okay? But yeah, guys, I'm going to head off. Peace. Jamie, see you in a bit, mate. Yeah, see you in a bit, Jamie. See you, mate. See you in the community. Yeah, Dan, see you there. Right, guys. Bye. Thanks for tuning in.